spot. Left at like 10:30, about 30 feet out. That little dark spot. Look a little more left. Right there, like 20 feet out. You see that? Right on the inside of the sand. Is that a redfish? Yep. You're on his back. Oh, you got him. Yep.
Out of your hands fast.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, you got him.
Oh my god.
Woo, woo.
Better watch out. Oh, great.
Yep, there he is. There you go. Stuff that one.
Do it.
There's another one.